Do you think Gentry should put it on the,
I could put it like
on the back part?
Up here? Or I could put it like this. Like lower on the mirror itself.
I think having that like at the same height as the air freshener is kind of cool.
I like it too.
Yeah.
I like it like right here.
I was trying to, I just don't know what way.
It bothers me how low
is
this is.
Is there like a correct way to do it?
Yeah, I usually see it on the window, but like for what he's doing, it works better, I guess.
Okay.
Let's see if
Howdy.
Tassel too.
It just
Have you
comes
just
off
been having the dice hanging there now?
Yeah, because there's a Hot Wheels air freshener there too.
It's
for the past,
That Hot Wheels
princess.
freshener bomb.
Dude, it smells.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like what it probably would smell like in here.
Yeah, it definitely helps a lot.
Did you guys smoke in the car yesterday?
No.
Yeah, it might look better lower. It might just not. Oh yeah, dude, totally.
Give her a tug.
That's probably better.
Get the hell out of the way. Oh, that's good. I like that. So like.
Yeah, what can I do to assist?
Pull that off.
Where's the where'd you put the blade at?
Oh, I got it.
Okay. I could try to do it without a blade.
Here, I can hand it to you in a second.
The VIP pillows in this joint now.
There you go.
This car is so sick now.
Dude, it's gonna get so much better.
Yeah, you ordered the
curtains
curtains
Yeah.
with the curtains tint and this thing low will be another level.
Insane. Riding in luxury now.
Shit is
coming
so
down. It's coming
hard.
down over here.
Oh no.
Where's the freaking roll?
Is it coming down?
It's already coming down over here. You know what?
Where's
Oh, he's gotta hold it up.
Where's the 3M roll at?
Oh, I put it in here.
Is that gonna fit perfectly? It fits perfectly, closing up the center.
Gotta put the
console.
lights in it.
The lights. Oh, that's totally gonna fall on you up. I guarantee it. Look at it just fucking dang. It's so.
Dude,
close.
It's
bouncing
getting more
around
and
with
more
the
perilous
G-forces.
over here.
Where's the ass chiller? There we go. I just had to check what level I was at.
It's off.
I realized I filmed that air freshener the entire time, and it's just gonna be a blur. So that's what it looks like.
Thumbnail.
Go watch their video first.
Of course, it's never released.
Yeah. This thing low with camera will be hard. It's so good. That's great. Gotta get the shot. No!
You wanna know something really funny?
Oh, yeah, here's that.
You wanna know something really funny?
Huh.
So if you look close, you can see the crystal shavings from when they fucking break off. I got one on my finger. Look at this.
Bristol.
Yeah,
They
it's breaking
break?
the crystals. Yeah, it's just like
Oh,
chipping
no.
pieces off of it. But like you just what you can't notice it, so
Yeah, you can't
that's
tell.
what it
Yeah,
is.
you can't tell. Just hold it.
Oh, that's fucking funny shit.
All these ones I think are good.
I don't think it's gonna fit. That's the problem.
Oh, let's take the gasket off.
You know what? I'm gonna take the gasket off. I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, why do you have a gasket?
I don't know.
It's the dome light.
I want to.
Yo.
Look at the fucking lights.
Yo.
No!
Give it a strength test. Hold it up. Oh, that's not.
Is it really staying?
Yeah, it'll stay.
Here,
Oh,
you
sweet.
put it up there. I want to see how it. Yeah, that's not as loose as I
Guys,
thought.
shake the car around.
That's at least giving. That's at least worth giving it a shot. This
It
is
should stay. Because I could just fucking pull it back down.
That's
'Cause
pretty
it's just-
sweet.
I'm gonna leave this right there.
The magnet's inside the dome light.